living up here in the back, and today I got the Apple AirTag, and also I got some accessories with it. So we're gonna unbox this, talk about what it does. I got goals today, you got goals today. Throw them things up for your boy. Let's get it started. Hey. The long-awaited AirTag. This AirTag has been, man, how many years? It's been talked about for 2 years, and now it's finally here. It's $29.99, and we finally got it. So now let's unbox it. All right, so what comes inside? Information, safety and handling, 1-year warranty, and last but not least, the AirTag itself. All right, so when you get started and open it up, the first thing it's gonna say is updated to the latest iOS to be used. Second, hold near device and follow the on-screen instructions. And then we got the AirPod itself. Truthfully, this is like an oversized battery, and that's probably what it is. This is probably the actual device, and this is probably legit the battery, but Apple, you know, it's Apple, it's gonna be fancy, place their tag on it. All right, so now I got it set up. As you see, it has a play sound, directions, notification, and lost mode. I'm gonna play the sound and let you hear how the sound is. Next, let's move to the cases and let's try on some cases and decorate this thing and see which one's the best. All right, next, let's try out the leather loop. Nah, for real, yeah, you gotta say that. Leather loop. Leather loop. All right, check this out. All right, so here's the leather loop. Oh gosh, really? It looks really nice. I mean, let's be honest, man. Let's be honest, it looks nice. Let's see, how do we put this in? Okay, so there's a button right here. You would just take this piece off, slide it in there, and then you reattach it, and boom, there you go. The AirTag's in there. It's in a nice leather loop. Loop this part to a suitcase, wherever you want to. And right here, if you have the engraved version, your engraved piece will show right here. And on the back, you get the AirTag. This is nice. The material's nice too. It's not Hermes nice, but I mean, come on now. Would you rather pay $30? Or would you rather pay $300? Huh? Yeah, smart choice, right? Yeah, Hermes. And for those who's curious about the length, okay, so the total is 7 inches. As you see, it starts at the 7. Next, we got the Belkin secure holder with the strap. Y'all like it with the strap? Belkin, really, you gotta be complicated. Like, come on now. I gotta piece this together myself. All right, so I always hate this part, but how you do it? You put this through the loop, and then you pull the loop and pull, and now your shoes are looking cool. All right, so here's the Belkin with the strap. All right, let me bring this out. Oh, okay, this is a little bit longer, so look like 7.5. The material here is definitely cheap. Definitely cheap material. I do not recommend this. I'm sorry, Belkin, I gotta keep it a buck. I do not recommend this because we know how this is. It's nice now, it's gonna break a few after wear and tears. You take this somewhere, you try to figure out why does it say your tag's in one place but your bag's with you. This ain't it, cheap. I can't even take this off, man. It says you're supposed to like twist it. There you go. Oh, it's cheap plastic, man. Get this crap out of here. How much was this? All right, next is Belkin secure holder with key ring. All right, let's take this one out. Alright, this one's the same thing. That was easy. Okay, I kind of like in this one. Now, it's the same thing as I said previously. I mean, still didn't change my mind. They still got that cheap plastic, but I like how it was a lot smaller. The king-ring option, yeah, I like it on the king-ring. It's much smaller. I think the smaller the better. To get the measurements. So the total is 2.5. But again, I like this one over the last one. The same material. This is nice, but I feel like over time, man, this material is gonna break off, but it just feels cheap. You guys seen it. I could be wrong, but I'm not a fan of this. All right, then last we got the leather key ring. I'm liking the key ring, so I think this might be the best one out of all of them. Let's find out. Man, already come attached. Great material. Hermes, buddy. Come on, man. You ain't about to get me. I'm good off that. All right, here it is. It's nice material, strong structure. If you were to just look at this, you would think it's by the big brand, but it's not. I'm scratching it right now. You can't even tell. Like, this is some nice material. Hats off to Apple with this one. I like the key ring too. The key ring is nice and big versus the Belkins. All right, see, if you see the Belkins, this one's the Belkin. It's a lot smaller. You can see the Apple's version on the outside. All right, guys, so what do you guys think about the AirTag and its accessories that go with it? Truthfully, Apple has the best accessories hand down so far. I'm sure in the future someone will make some accessories for it. All right, guys, throw them threes up for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. I'm out. I'm done. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate all you guys for watching. Like, seriously, I really do. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.